Welcome to Mad Lizard RC. So we're back. I had my son come over for the weekend and he wanted to see the gas boat run. So, the weather, caught up break within the rain that's coming. We do got a little bit of a windstorm. It was quite windy today, but, from what I was told, this type of haul, really good for, rough conditions, stuff like that. So, today was actually a good day to, get it out, kind of see what it can do. So, I'm just getting the cable in, I'm putting everything together, be able to, get this on the water. So now we're back at the shop I have, or basically a garage. So a boat actually ran really good for the conditions. A little windy, wave. There's a little bit of waves. It wasn't actually too bad. The boat actually ran really good. I still haven't touched any of the needles, the high or the low or anything like that. I haven't done anything with the trim tabs. It does seem like it's getting slightly faster, to what it kind of feels to me. I did not get a GPS in there. Again, my son came over, wanted to see it. And so, we just took it out, just having a little bit of fun. Run a little more fuel through it, kind of get more through the break-in process. But, you know, it was fun. The boat did actually quite well. I'm very happy so far. You know, a little bit more when kind of get past the first gallon of fuel through it, and then start making some tweaks with, you know, the high and lows. You know, I do feel like they're doing really good. Maybe a tweak on the high a little bit. Start messing with the trim tabs a little bit more, bringing them up a little bit more, getting the boat to run a little bit drier. But, you know, overall conditions, actually very happy with it. And it's fun. It's different. My son, you know, he drove it. He enjoyed it. It was fun to him. He's actually building a, you know, gas hydro right here. He's waiting on the motor coming in from, Redline Racing. That comes in on Monday, so I'm going to help him get this guy, you know, put together. Greg Anderson Hall, I believe this one is. You know, he's excited. So basically going into next year, when we get into racing, you know, my oldest son, you know, he's going to be running, you know, this guy, you know, this hydro here. You know, I'll be running the mono, and then, of course, I got a couple of my electric boats too. So, but yeah, you know, it was definitely different. Been running the electrics lately, just because of the weather condition, stuff like that. But been meaning to get this guy out for a while. So, you know, it was fun. It's definitely different. And, you know, for someone that's, you know, that just in the hobby, you know, love it. You know, I actually enjoy having, you know, the gas one's a lot of fun. You know, I have the electrics. You know, both have their pros and cons. You know, they're great, you know, and, you know, to me, I'm experiencing the whole joy of, you know, the hobby itself, you know, between, you know, the gas and the electric. You know, they both, you know, have their, you know, their goods and bads. But, you know, one thing I kind of do like about this is that, you know, you have your power throughout the whole entire thing, you know, you know, the batteries are not, you know, draining out, and it goes, and you just go and go. I got a 500cc fuel bag in there, so, you know, decent to long run time. And then, yeah, bring it back in. You know, we did 2 runs, and, you know, refueled, went back out again. You know, my son was driving. He actually ran it out of fuel, so we had to go get it, but no big deal. You know, it's just what it is. It was fun. So, but, you know, he enjoyed it. So looking forward to when the summer comes, being able to run, you know, this guy, you know, more often, especially racing, kind of see what it does. But yeah. So anyways, thanks for watching. You know, I'll bring this guy back out, you know, come soon again. And so, you know, I'm just kind of back and forth on a lot of different boats I have, and slowly, beginning of January, I'm going to start bringing out my boats I do a lot of racing in with District 8. So, and start kind of getting those tuned in and make sure everything's working on those. So, but anyways, well, thanks for watching.